If you ever used a US-based app or website and thought, why is this thing so clunky? You're not alone. Today we're breaking down the top 5 UX design fails in American software and, more importantly, how to fix them. But first, let's quickly define UX. UX stands for user experience. It's how people feel when they use your app, your website, or even your product. Great UX is intuitive, smooth, and helpful. Bad UX is frustrating, confusing, and drives users away. And believe it or not, even billion-dollar companies mess this up. So let's look at the first issue: misusing colors for feedback. Color psychology is a core UX principle. Green means go or success. Red means stop or error, right? But in US software, we often see blue used for errors or unbalanced states, which confuses users. Fix it. Stick to the global UX language. Green, success. Red, error. Orange or yellow, warning. Blue, neutral, or info. Consistency really builds trust. But here's a real example. A business user was using the color blue to represent unbalanced planes in a weight and balance system instead of red. That's a problem. Why? Because blue doesn't signal risk or failure to most users. It actually looks safe or calm. Fix it. Stick to the universal color language. Use green for balanced states, red for unbalanced or errors, and avoid using blue for anything negative unless your user testing supports it. The second issue: poor mobile optimization. Over 60% of users are on mobile. Yet many US apps are still designed desktop first. Buttons are too small, text is cut off, or even navigation is buried. Fix it. Design mobile first. Use responsive layouts, scalable buttons, and prioritize the top 3 actions users need on small screens. The third issue: cluttered interfaces. Ever open an app and feel overwhelmed by the 20 icons? That's feature bloat. Business teams try to cram every request into one screen and users suffer for it. Fix it. Use hierarchy, guys. Focus on core tasks. Use white space and hide advanced features behind menus. The fourth issue: no user testing whatsoever, guys. Some US companies spend millions building software without ever testing it with real users. Then they wonder why adoption is so low. Fix it. Run moderated usability tests on tools like Hotjar or usertesting.com. Real feedback is needed, guys, not just boardroom opinions. Number 5, ignoring accessibility altogether. Accessibility is often treated as optional, but it's essential. Low contrast text, missing alt tags, and no keyboard support are just a few violations we still see today. Fix it. Use tools like WebAIM or Lighthouse to audit your app. Accessibility helps everyone, not just users with disabilities. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about something that might surprise you. Even Tesla, known for innovation, makes major UX mistakes. Their cars rely almost entirely on central touchscreen. No physical buttons for basic tasks like adjusting mirrors or turning on the wipers. That may look sleek, but in practice, it's distracting and dangerous. Worse, they push software updates that change the layout without even warning, so users have to relearn basic interactions while driving. This is a perfect example of style over usability, and even billion-dollar brands are getting it wrong. And here's a funny twist. A lot of UX designers actually drive Teslas. Even though the car goes against many core UX principles, they still choose it. Why? Because the brand, performance, and innovation often outweigh the design flaws. Some call it a form of UX dissonance. They'll say things like, yeah, the controls are a mess, but I love the torque. And it's just a reminder that even professionals don't always live by the book, but we still need to call out and fix bad UX design when we see it. So, Whether you're building apps, dashboards, or even cars, UX, user experience, matters. Bad design, again, it frustrates the users, risks your safety, and hurts your bottom line. Fix these 5 common issues and learn from Tesla's mistakes to build products people actually love using. Drop a comment in the description with the worst UX fail you've ever experienced. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more straight up insights on tech, design, and business.